Ava and Daddy, and today we will be making kit versus homemade slime. I'll be making the kit, my dad will be making the homemade, and right now, vote up in the iCard and vote whose slime do you think will turn out better in the end?
What do you say? Oh, okay. Good. So, Ava will be using only the ingredients that came from the Karina Garcia slime kit that she has. And I will be using only ingredients that we had laying around the house, and we're gonna see which one's better.
Alright, let's decide. Alright, so we're gonna start off by putting in our glue. This one is goo. It's goo. So, alright, so now my dad is going to add some water. I do not, because it literally is already water. This is super full. Just gonna mix that together. Make sure you mix the water and the glue very good until it's like pretty mixed. I think you're ready.
Alright, what's next?
Alright, the next step is to adding your glitter. So I'm going to add in all of my glitter. You can just try to add the same amount as me.
Okay.
Alright, I have my glitter. The next step is to mix your glitter with your glue. All my glitter sunk to the bottom, so it's just sitting on the bottom. I have to scrape it up. The reason you add the glitter now instead of after the activator is because it sticks better, like it sticks to the slime better. Righty. So when you're making slime, you're supposed to pour your activator in slowly, and I'm gonna just add 1 teaspoon in at a time. Here's my last one.
I made a whole lot more slime than you did.
I know. My glitter didn't even mix in on it. And all this glue is not turning into slime. Mine is not working out very well. Come on, Karina, you can make better slime than this. Hey, it's starting! I can see it forming. Look at it, guys!
That looks pretty cool.
I wanted to do the kit so badly because they make jiggly slime, so I was hoping I would win. It's really easy.
My slime is looking weird.
I know. I'm almost ready to go in with my hand. I'm just gonna keep mixing. Just a tiny bit more. Pour it out. Literally, I'm gonna pour it. I don't think slime is supposed to do that. Ew! So gross. This is so weird. I'm gonna have to keep mixing in with my hands now. It is not sticky at all, but it is so, like, jelly-like. Like, it is just spreading everywhere. It is very clear, I can't say.
Look at this. This is disgusting.
I wonder who's gonna win.
I still think it's gonna be me.
Okay. And everyone's thinking it's me. Even our family. Mine does not coat. That's so sad. My slime is very sad. Actually, I'm not even gonna say that. Alright, my dad's actually is slime. I like yours. We're gonna play with each other's later. So we can kind of see. And we're actually also gonna vote whose is better. I know we're probably gonna pick ourselves, but. Okay, this slime does not even look like how much slime we were supposed to make. This slime is gross. I do not like this.
That slime looks awesome now.
You wanna feel it?
But it looks better than mine.
Hey, at least yours is like stretchy.
Maybe you should add a little bit more activator.
You think? Look, it's like butter. Actually, not. It's like water.
Butter?
It's like why? Because it's like spreads. I can't. You can. You don't have any slime on your hands. I'm gonna play with yours. You're playing with it wrong, but my slime is gross. Can you add some activator to mine? We're going over activated, if that's okay. This slime is so nasty. Like, I don't even care. Hey, that was the trick. Look at it, guys. It doesn't spread as fast. Look. And then when you do this, it stays like this. No, this is amazing. I like my slime. Do you want to play with mine? It's very sticky still. Mine, there's no way this is. I was supposed to have so much slime. And I didn't. I tripled it I quadrupled it. Like, what is this? I can't say. This is pretty good slime, but my slime is so awesome, but
your slime might be pretty good, but my slime is
your slime is
awesome.
better. I think I might win. Can you can I have some a little bit more activated?
Sure.
This is horrible. This is so awesome.
Oops.
So, turns out my dad won. I don't know.
It's actually going to be up to you guys.
Yeah.
Who wins?
Yeah, we're also gonna vote that.
Your slime looks better than mine.
Yeah, it looks, but actually on the slime, my slime looks better. Oh, but it ain't feel better. I know that for a fact. My slime doesn't really poke either. It's kind of disappointing. This is the worst slime ever. I think you won, Dad. Actually, I think it might have been a tie. Because my slime looks better, but his slime probably feels better. So, figured out that Karina Garcia slime does not work very well. So, Karina Garcia, I'm very upset with you. I really am. I truly am. You always make like the best slimes ever. And this, what is this? Obviously, my slime was a hot mess. Karina Garcia, you and me are going to have a talk about this. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more videos. I have a goal for this year. I want 230 subscribers in this video to get to 30 likes and 400 views.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.
We love you so much. Bye!